Hello kids, today's topic is morphology of leaf grade 11. So let's talk about leaf. What is leaf? Leaf is laterally developed flattened structure which grow upon stem. So this is stem. Stem have nodes and leaf grow from a node. And at the axil of leaf there is axillary bud which grow into a branch. Leaves are green, they perform photosynthesis. So main function of leaf is to make food for the plant. Now let's talk about leaf structure. Leaf is consist of three parts. First is leaf base. Second is petiole. And third is leaf lamina. So first we talk about leaf base. Leaf base is the site where leaf is attached to the stem. And in some plant, this leaf base is swollen like this, known as pulvinous. Example is leguminous plant. And in some plant, leaf base expand and cover the stem like this. This is known as leaf sheath. Example is monocot. Now let's talk about petiole. Petiole is this twig. Okay, this hold the lamina to the light. Also, petiole allow leaf lamina to flutter in air. Next is leaf lamina. This entire expanded green part is leaf lamina. In the middle of leaf lamina, there is prominent main vein that is known as midrib. And from midrib, lateral veins develop. Next is venation. Venation is arrangement of veins in leaf. So that is also two types, reticulate and parallel. In reticulate venation, network of veins is formed. So this is the leaf, midrib, and veins and veinlets. So a network of veins is formed that is known as reticulate. Example is dicot. And in parallel venation, veins are arranged parallelly to each other. Example, monocot. Next is type of leaf. So there's two types of leaf. First is simple and second is compound. So first we talk about simple leaf. In simple leaf, the lamina is entire. There's no incision. And even if they are incision like this, it doesn't touches the midrib. So this is also simple leaf and this is also. So example is mango. Compound leaf, in compound leaf incision reaches to the midrib and number of leaflets are formed. It is also two types, pinnately and palmately. In pinnately, here you can say that leaflets are arranged opposite to each other. Example is neem. And in palmately, many leaflets grow at one point tip of the petiole and form this swirly structure that is known as palmately. Example is silk cotton. One more thing to remember, that the axillary bud grow at the axil of the leaf, not at the axil of the leaflet. Next is phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy is arrangement of leaf upon a stem. It is also three types: alternate, opposite, and word. First, we talk about alternate. In alternate, leaves grow alternatively both sides, right, left. Example is China rose and mustard also. In opposite phyllotaxy, the two leaves grow opposite to each other. You can see. Example is guava. World phyllotaxy. In world phyllotaxy, there are many leaves grow from one point all around and form a whorl structure. Example is Alstonia. Next is modification of leaf for protection. So leaf modified into spine and protect plant from grazing animals. So here euphorbia. In euphorbia, entire leaf modified into spine. Okay. And it also to reduce water transpiration. In agave, leaf apex turn into a spine. Acacia, stipule modified into spine. In citrus plant, first leaf of axillary bud as a spine. And argemone, here you can see leaf blade modified into spine. So this is the leaf modification for protection, spines. Next is leaf modified and store food. Best examples are onion and garlic. These are the fleshy leaves of onion which we eat. Done. Next is leaf modification for support. In some plant, leaf modified into tendril. So these tendrils are these coiled structure, you can see, and these tendril help plant to climb upon. Example is Pisum sativum, peace. Other modification of leaf. So first is phyllotes of acacia. So in acacia, leaf is short-lived. Okay, this leaf is short-lived and the petiole expand and perform photosynthesis. Next is pitcher plant, leaf modified into a pitcher and trap insect. Venus fly trap plant. Okay, this is Venus fly trap plant. This is also modified leaf. Okay, so modifications is done. Topic is complete. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe.